Hello friends, welcome back to my channel and I hope everything is going great with you all. Today I am going to recreate the look that I created yesterday for a reception party. It was just very quick, simple, smoky eye look that I created because I was very short of time. So without wasting any time, let's get into the video. Yesterday I went for a reception party and I was wearing an evening gown. The color of the evening gown was grey and golden mix, so I thought of doing black smoky eye. That took quickly. So what I did is I took my black gel liner and applied a little bit with my finger all over my eyelid. So now with the help of the eyeshadow Sweet Tea from the palette Lemonade Grace from Maybelline, by taking a slightly angled fluffy brush, I'm gonna blend the edges so that it won't look harsh and it looks seamless and nicely blended. And now with the help of any small eyeshadow brush, I'm gonna take the black eyeshadow from Wet n Wild and place it on the eyelids. And now by taking a slightly darker brown shade, that is the old-fashioned eyeshadow from the same palette, I'm just placing the color in the outer V of my eye and blending it inwards. Now for lining my eyelids, I am using the liquid eyeshadow from Nika K. With the help of this angle brush, I'm gonna create a wing liner. Now partially our eyes are done. To fill in my brows, I'm using a brow pencil from Etude House. It's in the shade 03 Brown and I'm just gonna fill it quickly. Let me moisturize my lips quickly, and for that I'm using my baby lip. Now for face, I'm using oil volume base, that Glow On from Etude House. It's a facial oil and it's 3-in-1. It says it moisturizes and also we can use it as a primer and also as a strobing cream. So that's why here I'm using the facial oil. As it's a winter season and I didn't want my face to look cakey, so that's why I used the L'Oreal Paris True Match foundation. It's a satin finish foundation, it's not matte. And also I mixed the Lakme illuminating foundation with this one and it was just so good. Not too much, little bit. That is it. Start mixing it at the back of my hand and apply all over my face with the help of my finger. To blend the foundation, I'm using my foundation brush. Don't forget your ears as well. Now for concealer, again I'm using my Maybelline's Eye Eraser Concealer in the usual places like under my eye area, chin, cupid's bow, nose and forehead. I'm blending the concealer with the same brush. For contouring, I'm using the Duo palette from Wet n Wild with the help of my angled fluffy brush. As I didn't want to use too much of products, that's why I'm directly using the powder bronzer to bronze my face. And to set the concealer, I'm using the lighter shade from the same palette with the help of my powder brush. To tightline my lower lash line, I'm using the black kajal from Maybelline. And with the help of Old Fashioned from the palette, I'm gonna just smoke it out a little bit. For blush, again I'm using the same palette, that is the Lemonade Craze, and I'm gonna use the Ice Pop color and apply it on my cheek. With the help of a smaller brush, I'm gonna take the main squeeze color and apply it in my tear duct area to brighten my eyes. So a little bit in my inner corner. For highlighting, I'm using my Maybelline's Master Chrome highlighter in the shade Molten Rose Gold. Light on the cheekbones, under my brow bone, tip of my nose, little bit on the bridge, Cupid's bow and chin. As I was very short of time, so I did not apply any falsies, but if you want you can apply falsies. So what I did was I just applied the fiber portion of L'Oreal's False Lash Mascara both in my lower as well as upper lashes, and this gave me a nice volume and uplifted my eyelashes. And on top of it, I applied the Maybelline's Hypercurl Volume Express Waterproof Mascara. For lips, I have used the CHAMBOR's liquid lipstick and it's in the shade 2997. Before that, I applied the lip liner all over my lips of the same color. So yeah, this was the final look that I created for the reception party yesterday night, and as you have seen, it didn't took much time to create. You can always alter the color as per your choice of the eyeshadow, of the glitter liner, and also the color that we applied in the inner corners, in the tear duct area. That everything you can alter as per your choice, as per your dress color. This is just the technique that I showed how to do a quick smoky eye look. Yeah, this was it for the video. If you like the look, if you like the video, then please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit that bell icon. You can also follow me on my Facebook and Instagram, and the links I will be giving in the description box below, so do check it. And also do not forget me to follow on my TikTok account. For that, the ID I will be giving in the description box below, so do check it. And yeah, see you in my next video. Till then, bye.